Hi, I'm Christy Conway with Charleston Home and Design Magazine, and I'm at the Citadel's Johnson Hagood Stadium from the Charleston Home and Design Show. I'm standing with Jim and Bill of SolarTek. How are you guys doing?
Christy, we are doing awesome, and we just want to say hello, Charleston, South Carolina, and again, welcome back to the Charleston Home and Design Show.
We're doing great. We're looking for everybody in town who wants to lower their electric bill.
Oh yeah, are you seeing a lot of people that do? I would imagine.
Obviously, it's the goal of everybody to either completely eliminate their power bill or at least cut a big portion out of it.
Now, how do they do that with your products?
It depends on what they use. They can by any one of our products, they can just reduce the amount of electricity that they require from the utility, which lowers their bill.
And what kind of array of products do you have? You don't just have solar panels, right?
Well, we carry many arrays. We do a lot of conservation improvements, which is ties hand in hand with renewable energy. We do photovoltaic, and that's for producing electricity. Of course, that's the creme de la creme of solar. That's the one everybody wants.
Right.
They want to be their own personal power plant. We do also our thermal solar heating for domestic hot water, and we can also do radiant heating. One of the big popular items, especially in this area, given the heat and the humidity, is our solar active ventilation. Okay. And they're fairly inexpensive. They typically pay for themselves within 2 to 3 years. And that product is, with most people, their introduction into using renewable energy products because of the very low cost.
Okay, and what is that exactly? Can you describe it?
It's a solar attic fan. It replaces the typical electrical fan. And typically, when they're properly sized, we get the attic within 5 to 15 degrees of outside. And that's very key, especially if you have duct work up there. So during the summer months, it's going to reduce the cycling as far as how many times that air conditioner is going to cut on. But also, too, it's going to extend the longevity of the HVAC unit, so it protects their investment as well.
Okay, all right. Now, what's the process of getting one of these kind of built into your home, and what are the benefits that the government offers?
Well, the first step is to contact us because we have to come out and do a site alignment, which, of course, is no charge. Because unfortunately not every home site is compatible for solar. Also, too, we do a very in-depth energy analysis, which again is free and at no charge. And the energy analysis is extremely informative. We want to take a close look at how the home's consuming energy now, what steps they can take to reduce that consumption. And the neat part about it, a lot of our recommendations are things you can do yourself. The other things that a company like ours would address, if they're going to incorporate renewable energy, well, here in South Carolina, between the federal and the state, 55% of the cost of the system will be subsidized.
Oh, that's fantastic. Okay. Well, tell me a little bit about what's going on with the show. Have you had a lot of good traffic?
So far today, we've had an average traffic, but it's been steady. They started in the morning when we opened, and they've been pretty steady all day long. So we're enthused. It's a good show, and we're getting a lot of good information from the show. It
seems like Charleston, South Carolina would be the place to get solar-powered, anything that you got here. I would imagine people would be interested. Are you getting people to sign up? Are you getting excitement from people?
Yes, quite a few people come by are very interested, and they'll sign up. We give away either a free solar fan or a free light tube at every show, and people sign up for that, and then we can call them to see if they'd like to have somebody come out and do an energy analysis or evaluate their home for any future solar work.
So you're saying you're giving away a solar fan?
One each show or a light tube each show. You have your choice.
Well, that's very cool. Okay, when are you doing that drawing?
At the end of the show?
Friday the 1st.
Okay, fantastic. All right. Well, if you do find out who wins, that would be great to put it on your website. You're going to let everyone know who wins?
Oh, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Okay. That's a very good idea.
Okay.
Thank you, Chris.
Wonderful. Well, what's your website? Well, people can, check it out and learn more.
Okay, it's www.solartekenergy.com.
And what's your phone number?
843-225-4592 or 225-9999.
Yeah, but the main number is 843-937-9999.
Okay, well, now you have 3 options to call them, and you should. Thank you so much for meeting with me. We've been meeting with Jim and Bill of SolarTek at the Charleston Home and Design Show at the Citadel's Johnson Hagood Stadium. Thanks so much.
Come see us. We'll save you money.
And also, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.